Hello everyone, welcome to Venkat Varma Chemistry YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss short revision for reagents. I told you about lithium aluminum hydride, sodium borohydride, hydrogen gas and palladium metal, Lindlar's catalyst and Botch reduction. Now in this session, I am going to share zinc in acetic acid or hydrogen iodide in red phosphorus, zinc amalgam in concentrated HCl, hydrazine and stannous chloride in hydrochloric acid. Let's start our session. The reagent is zinc and acetic acid or zinc copper couple in hydrochloric acid. What is the reagent? Zinc and acetic acid and zinc in copper couple in ethanol. Yes, this reagent used for the reduction of alkyl halide. Mainly this reagent used for the reduction of alkyl halide. See, alkyl halides are converted to alkane. See, reduction of alkyl halide. It is used for the reduction of alkyl halide. Reduction of alkyl halide. Reduction of alkyl halide. See, alkyl halide RX reduction with zinc acetic acid or zinc copper couple with ethanol to give alkene. Alkyl halide to alkene. See, alkyl halide to alkene. Reduction of alkyl halide with zinc acetic acid or zinc copper couple. It is used for the reduction of alkyl halide. Reduction of alkyl halide. Have a look for next reagent. Red phosphorus with hydrogen iodide. The red phosphorus with hydrogen iodide, it is used for the reduction of alcohols, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. It is mainly used for the reduction of alcohols, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. Mainly the alcohols are converted to alkane in presence of hydrogen iodide with red phosphorus. See, alcohol with hydrogen iodide, red phosphorus, it gives alkene or H2O plus I2. Alcohols are converted to alkene. Now, aldehydes are converted to alkene. Aldehyde in presence of hydrogen iodide with red phosphorus, it gives alkane. See, aldehyde is converted to alkane in presence of red phosphorus with hydrogen iodide. The next one is ketone. Ketone in presence of hydrogen iodide with red phosphorus, it gives alkane. See, ketone with red phosphorus hydrogen iodide, it gives alkane. The next one is carboxylic acid hydrogen iodide with red phosphorus, it gives alkane. Carboxylic acid with hydrogen iodide red phosphorus, it gives alkane. Acid chlorides also red phosphorus with hydrogen iodide to give alkane. Acid anhydride also reduced to give alkane. Esters with red phosphorus with hydrogen iodide to give alkane. This is about hydrogen iodide with red phosphorus. Hydrogen iodide with red phosphorus. Let's move on. Next reagent. Zinc amalgam in concentrated HCl. The next reagent is zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl. It is a Clemmensen reduction. It is mainly used for the prepare alkane or preparation of alkanes from carbonyl compound. The preparation of alkanes from carbonyl compounds. See, have a look for the reaction. Aldehydes in presence of zinc Hg or zinc amalgam with concentrated HCl to give alkane. CH3CHO acetaldehyde with reduction with zinc amalgam with concentrated HCl, it gives ethane CH3 plus H2O. Have a look for ketone RC double bond O or with reduction with zinc amalgam with concentrated HCl, it gives alkane. See, acetone CH3COCH3 reduction with zinc amalgam with concentrated HCl to give propane CH3CH2CH3 H2O. This is for Clemmensen reduction. The reagent is zinc amalgam in concentrated HCl. Mainly zinc amalgam in concentrated HCl, the preparation of alkanes from carbonyl compound. Aldehydes are reduction with zinc amalgam concentrated HCl to give alkane. Ketones reduction with zinc amalgam with concentrated HCl to give alkane. Aldehyde and ketones to give alkane. Mainly it is used to prepare alkane from carbonyl compound, but it fails for acid sensitive substrate but suitable for base sensitive substrate. It failed for acid sensitive substrate but suitable for base sensitive substrate. This is for zinc amalgam in concentrated HCl. Have a look for next reagent. The next reagent is hydrazine and KOH with glycol. See, it is a Wolff-Kishner reduction. See, aldehyde in presence of hydrazine, it is a hydrazine to give hydrazone. Hydrazone with potassium hydroxide with glycol, it gives alkane. Aldehyde with hydrazine, it gives hydrazone. Hydrazone with KOH with glycol, it gives alkane. See, the next one, ketone with hydrazine, ketone with hydrazine, NH2, NH2. It gives hydrazone. See, it gives hydrazone. With KOH, KOH and glycol or ethylene glycol, ethylene glycol, ethylene glycol to give alkene, to give alkene. Ketones and aldehydes, reduction with hydrazine and KOH in ethylene glycol to give alkene, to give alkene. This is for Wolff-Kishner reduction, Wolff-Kishner reduction or Wolff-Kishner reduction. NH2, NH2 and KOH in ethylene glycol, ethylene glycol. Have a look for next reagent. Have a look for next reagent. The next reagent is sodium biethanol. Sodium biethanol. The sodium biethanol, this reaction is known as Bévalt-Blanc reduction. Bévalt-Blanc reduction. In this sodium biethanol, aldehydes, reduction with sodium biethanol, to give alcohol, it gives primary alcohol, aldehydes with sodium biethanol to give primary alcohol. Ketones with sodium biethanol, ketones with sodium biethanol to give secondary alcohol, It gives 2-degree alcohol or secondary alcohol. Again, esters with sodium biethanol, to give alcohol, Sodium biethanol, mainly reduction with aldehydes, ketones and esters. Aldehydes, ketones and esters are reduction to give alcohols. If aldehydes, reduction with sodium biethanol to give primary alcohol, ketones with sodium biethanol to give secondary alcohol, esters with sodium biethanol to give alcohols, Have a look for next reagent. SnCl2 in HCl. The reagent is Stephan reduction. Stannous chloride in hydrochloric acid. It is related to Stephan reduction. See, nitriles with tin chloride with hydrochloric acid to give imines. Imines hydrolysis to give aldehyde. It is a partial reduction. Alkyl cyanides or nitriles in presence of tin chloride hydrochloric acid to give imine. Imine hydrolysis to give aldehyde. It is a partial reduction. If alkyl cyanides or nitrile in presence of lithium aluminum hydride or sodium biethanol to give amines. These are the reagents. I hope like this video. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to give like. If you find this content valuable, make sure to subscribe for insightful lecture. Thanks for watching.